It's makeup time. Let's first start with our concealer. I already colored my eyebrows now. Yeah, so this is how we line our eyebrows, by putting our concealer under our eyes, and on top Rebia foundation. Why? To match with the skin. You see how it matches? And now we're causing an illusion of making it as if it is our eyebrows, because that's the aim, right? To make it look as if it's our own eyebrows. Then my primer before the foundation to protect my skin. Then we start with the foundation. Blend. Ooh, when you get flu, okay, so for the base of my eyeshadow, I'm using this brown powder. Yeah, as a base. I love using brown for a brown skin girl. What? And then I'm gonna use a bit of black light just to make it more a bit dramatic, you know, just to show what there is. You fluela I want it dramatic, and then more demo just to make it all neat. Fade in the brownish color, but it's a bit cold. Yeah, shine Maria, so that it fades in. Pila skaba. And I'm gonna use now the pink for the what do we call this? Marisa pink, you know. I wanna wear a brown only pink. It is amazing, yeah, because I wanna be a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. What? Because why? We're professionals. Time for my eyeliner. This is how we apply our eyeliner. Irayo pointy, sharpy pointy, and then you need to find direction ya horokopil. Skip abuma watts. I want you for direction. If you're struggling. And I'm using now my white pencil just to make my eyes pop and give them and then now kira eyeshadow yona ila brown just to blend everything in. Time for concealer because we want to look young again. Yeah. Blend. We blend. La bonor get really bien. Yeah, the blend ile. Now for banana powder, just to make the concealer isete. Iskaba hemolufufulelwa, and then yona isala or a smelter. We don't want that. We don't want to animate. We want everything to stay put. Yeah, even there to make my face a bit smaller, you know. And we're gonna take the brown powder to make my cheekbones. Everything must be accompanied with something. More small. Really look at that. Linguela, shimmer. We shimmer everything. Le shimming because whole white mola. So white mola ba concealer. Turn it to your gold shimmer. Yeah, more is my blush. course, my signature look, the tribal look. I'm not going to tell because can you go back to Africa. I wanna take you back to Africa. You know? Yeah. This is my pep spray. I said. And then this is how I apply my glue. I don't apply to the lash, I apply it more to my eyeliner. And then wabona, we have the eyelash. And yo miraka. Yeah, marakere we get to afro. So hore in pila. Tshwanetse gore ke bofe ka maphondo abo gore e stretch le ka usane he ke go ira afro kono ba sharp abo so no ka tlhatlhamolla wa bona ya stretch hile tlhatlhamolla so mara ke mmera go tlhatlhamolla yar le ho ilo ha bo shiba teng yo ke mmera go maintain afro inyaka o nne le patience and o rate morra hao no beno wa bona ka feletsa go tlhatlhamolla ka kama ya no escalate re bona pila afro yaka. It's coming along. The final look is coming along. And then we'll let the edges. And so I get it. It's a bit cute. Yeah. This is how I do my edges. Oh, this is how I do them. Got toothbrushy, edge layer. Then Rafael laser, yay. Rafael laser mona. Can say yana Mandela line yana. I wanna. Mulainula Mandela. Yeah, once we are back in Africa, baba. We're here, it's figil.
Sneaky club.
Lavender cute. Cute.
Sneaky.
Oh, Sile Mulainula Mandela. Looking cute. Regular ones we raga pila libo ni pila ne. I wanna mar. Yazamisa na let us look. Kuna mirela. Obvious mo hare tlo palla go kama pila ke ra o ipone mara you like it again. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to follow, subscribe and like the video. Bye bye.